Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 5, almost through a full week of this Cookmas gig here. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying. For today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and make a combination or one of my twist recipes. I'm going to go ahead and take some chili and twist that up with some lasagna. So we're going to go ahead and make some chili cheese lasagna. So if this sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, Again, on that road to 2K, guys. Thank you so much for all the support. I truly appreciate it. If you still aren't subscribed though, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video during this Cookmas season. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so here is the delicious chili cheese lasagna with those wonderful flavors of chili cheese throughout it. Definitely give this a try. You can make that quick chili or use leftover chili and just go ahead and layer it and top it with cheese. It's delicious. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below and share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care. Happy holidays. Bye guys.